Using a little different phone right now because I've got service on there and I can upload this video to you. I'm in the middle of the desert, as you guys can see. And I parked by that beautiful cactus. Look at this right here. Now, as I was sitting here, a hot air balloon right there is actually, he was up. God, he was just way up just 2 seconds ago. And look at him. I'm on the outskirts of Arizona City, about 65 miles southeast of Phoenix. Is this not cool? So what I did is I just come off the road looking for a place where Ace could run. I had a couple hours. I said, you know, what am I in a hurry for? And I just took off and I followed a county road, and this is where it's taken me. Look in the distance of these mountains. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, in the distance here. This camera's not as good as that Apple. Isn't this beautiful? Now we'll do some more videos on them. Carson will be editing for us, and it just shows the, man, the landscape is just amazing here. Look at that. All right, Carson will probably throw this video together, but I want to do one really quick for you. All right, and I want to show you. Now this doesn't have the speakers, so I don't know how it's sounding, but I want to show you the durability of this Incredibox right here. All right, I've taken the time. Get this. I have just stopped and come up the side of the road and said, I'm gonna park it, got some sun, made about a dozen phone calls, took a bunch of notes, running the office from here. I'm turning into one of them remote people that just vacation all the time. No, I can't do that. But, all right, so this house has traveled over 2,000 miles out here. Some of the roughest roads, potholes, and I've done 75 to 80 miles an hour, documented it, filmed it, showed it. And I wanted to show you on this door, and I've got my phone on a tripod, so I've got to be able to get this to where you guys can see. I want to show you just the durability, and this is just an example of how this box is so strong, is that this door still opens and closes and latches. After that many miles, I've come up over this dirt here. This is, you guys can see the terrain. It's got ruts. It's not, you can't see it that much, but it's not a paved road, all right? This thing is just doing amazing. I just can't get over the fact of how well this house is going. Now, a couple of, look, the decals came off. It's so rough. We hit rain, wind, 80 miles an hour. And this thing's going to Quartzsite, and it's completely off grid. Solar, water, power, sewer, everything on here. This thing's Mac Daddy, and it's even got a heater on the back. This is a passive solar wall heater, that black box on the side of the house. You can see some of my decals have blown off. I'm gonna have to get me some white paint and maybe put them on there for the Quartzsite show. All right, look at this place where I'm at. Is this not just the most gorgeous thing? I think the Border Patrol is over here. That truck just pulled up. You guys can see that truck. He was up on that mountain. He's come down. I think I know they already seen me, so they know I'm safe. But, all right, just a quick video to show you the Incredibox and how durable and strong. And I'm heading out to the deserts of San Diego, about 2 hours east of San Diego, out in the desert. And then we'll be in Quartzsite the 21st through 29th. One tough cookie right here. You know, we talked about an RV, and a buddy of mine, Mark, back at the community, was saying he had an RV and he was coming from Vegas to Tennessee, and the potholes were so big that his cabinets fell off the house. The cabinets were coming in. I think even a door fell off. Right now, we're talking everything in here is just the way I left it in Tennessee. I'm thinking these things are pretty durable. They might even be apparently they're more durable than RVs. Now, I'm not throwing all RVs under the bus. I love RVs. They're made to camp in. Yesterday we did a video. It'll be coming out hopefully tomorrow when Carson gets the footage of it. Is that the lady was inside her Incredibox at, what was it, 100, 105, 110 degrees in Tucson? Perfect. One air conditioner, just like we do in Tennessee. Also, her electric bill went from $285 a month. That's just her electric bill in her RV, to $50 a month in the Incredibox at the same month, all right, the same temperature. Those are the facts that I've been looking for a long time. The other one is the cold, okay? We're talking about how are people weathering in this cold. I've got one other customer, mother and daughter, and I want to tell them who they are or where they're at for their privacy, but they have got tons of snow that's being accumulated. I think they've got close to 4 or 5 foot of snow on top of the house, and it's melted and it snowed and it's melted and it snowed, and we're not even through the winter yet. That's another criteria that I wanted to be able to come to you guys, give you pictures, documentation, and people that actually have the Incredibox and the strength behind these things, okay? So there you have it. Thank you. Keep following me. We'll get this video. I'm going to hope to upload this video right now to you guys so you can get on YouTube and see what we're doing. Ace and I, can you believe it or not, he has ran around all this place, and you know where he's sitting? He's sitting in my truck. I think he likes traveling. All right, everybody. I got to do my hair, and as you can see, I'm turning into a bum. All right, have a great day. Hope you can hear me. We'll see about this, and hats off to you. Bye.